In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix game chat on your Xbox Series X or S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you simple to follow instructions on how to properly go about and fix game chat communications when you are playing any game inside of your Xbox Series S or X. All that you have to do to start this is, before entering any game, on the settings for your actual Xbox console, go over to the General tab, go over to Account, Privacy and Online Safety, Xbox Privacy, View Details and Customize, and finally, Communication and Multiplayer. Inside of that window, you will be able to change all sorts of settings related to communication and who can interact with you on your Xbox account. Usually, this refers to game chat and crossplay communications. All that you have to do here is set every setting to everyone or friends. Of course, you should take your time and carefully consider what you want to set all of these to, but the single most important one is always going to be these ones here, related to communicating outside of Xbox or communicating with voice, text, or invites. Just make sure that you have these set to everybody or in-game friends. Now, once this is done and you've changed these communication and multiplayer settings for your Xbox account, you should be good to go. You can now go back to the home screen, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, and if you are trying to use a headset that has a mic, just double check all of the settings related to it. So you will be able to notice if your microphone has been detected, if it is working. You can manage the game chat, you can join a party, join a game. It is extremely simple to do, and usually as long as you have the microphone properly detected on, so make sure that it is toggled on and you can manage the monitoring, you should be good to go to communicate with others. You can turn on settings like noise suppression and everything related to your mic to set it up properly, but as long as you change the privacy settings, you will be good to go. If for whatever reason you can hear other people but they cannot hear you, it could also be a problem related to the specific headset that you are trying to use. So if you have another headset or another microphone, try using that instead to determine where the problem lies. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix game chat on your Xbox Series S or X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.